Have you ever felt frustrated about not seeing results on the scale despite putting in a lot of effort at the gym? It's a common experience, and the culprit is usually our diet. To lose weight, it's crucial to maintain a caloric deficit, and one effective way to do that is through meal prepping. But meal prepping can be a daunting task, and it's easy to fall into the trap of making bland, unappetizing meals. In this video, we'll provide you with some meal prep ideas that not only taste great but will also help you shed those extra pounds. So, if you're ready to take control of your weight loss journey, keep watching. In the introduction, we address the common pain point of not seeing results despite putting in effort and identify the cause: our diet. We introduce the concept of meal prepping as an effective tool for weight loss, and acknowledge that it can be intimidating. By promising meal prep ideas that are both tasty and weight loss friendly, we create a hook that entices readers to continue reading. We end the introduction with a call to action that encourages readers to keep reading to take control of their weight loss journey. Benefits of meal prep for weight loss. Meal prep is a popular way to stay on track with healthy eating, and it can be especially helpful when you're trying to lose weight. Here are some of the benefits of meal prep for weight loss. Portion control. When you meal prep, you have more control over the portions you're eating. You can measure out your meals to ensure you're eating the right amount of food and avoiding overeating. Time saving. Meal prep can save you a lot of time in the long run. Instead of spending time every day preparing meals, you can spend a few hours one day a week prepping meals and have healthy, nutritious food ready to go for the rest of the week. Cost effective. Meal prep can also be cost effective. By planning your meals in advance, you can buy ingredients in bulk and save money in the long run. Plus, you'll be less likely to eat out or order takeout, which can be more expensive. Healthy choices. When you meal prep, you have the opportunity to make healthy choices. You can choose fresh, whole foods and avoid processed or high-calorie options. Less stress. Meal prep can also reduce stress. Instead of worrying about what to eat every day, you have a plan and can focus on other things. Overall, meal prep can be a helpful tool for weight loss. By controlling portions, saving time and money, making healthy choices, and reducing stress, meal prep can make it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Tips for effective meal prep. Meal prepping can be a great tool to help with weight loss, but it can also be overwhelming and difficult to maintain. Here are some tips to help you meal prep effectively. Plan ahead. Before you start prepping, plan out your meals for the week. This will help you stay organized and make sure you have all the ingredients you need. Choose healthy recipes. Make sure the recipes you choose are healthy and fit your dietary needs. Look for recipes that are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and low in processed ingredients and added sugars. Invest in quality storage containers. Good storage containers are key to keeping your meals fresh and organized. Look for containers that are microwave and dishwasher safe, and have compartments to separate different parts of your meal. Prep in batches. Instead of prepping all your meals for the week in one day, try prepping in smaller batches throughout the week. This will help you stay motivated and ensure that your meals are fresh. Keep it simple. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated. Stick to simple recipes and ingredients that you enjoy, and make sure to include a variety of fruits and vegetables. By following these tips, you can make meal prep a manageable and effective tool for weight loss. Meal prep ideas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast meal prep ideas. Overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, milk or yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits in a mason jar, and let it sit overnight in the fridge. Egg muffins. Beat eggs with your favorite veggies and pour the mixture into a muffin tin. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and granola in a mason jar. Smoothie packs. Pre-portion your smoothie ingredients, such as fruit, veggies, and protein powder, into freezer bags, and store them in the freezer. Lunch meal prep ideas. Mason jar salad. Layer your salad ingredients in a mason jar, starting with the dressing at the bottom and the greens on top. Chicken and veggie bowls. Roast chicken breast and your favorite veggies, such as sweet potatoes, carrots, and broccoli, and divide them into meal prep containers. Turkey roll-ups. Lay turkey slices on a flat surface, and spread avocado or hummus on them. Add your favorite veggies and roll them up. Quinoa and bean salad. Cook quinoa and mix it with beans, tomatoes, corn, and avocado. Dinner meal prep ideas. 1 pan roasted chicken and veggies. Place chicken and your favorite veggies, such as Brussels sprouts, carrots, and bell peppers, on a sheet pan, and roast in the oven. Beef and broccoli stir-fry. Stir-fry beef and broccoli with garlic and ginger, and serve with brown rice. Baked salmon and sweet potato. Season salmon and sweet potato with your favorite spices, and bake them in the oven. Veggie lasagna. Layer lasagna noodles with marinara sauce, veggies, such as zucchini, spinach, and mushrooms, and cheese. Bake in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Meal prepping can be a game changer for those looking to lose weight. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you're less likely to make unhealthy food choices on a whim. With these meal prep ideas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you'll be well on your way to a healthier and more convenient lifestyle. Don't forget to share your meal prep creations on social media and tag us for a chance to be featured. Snacks are an important part of any meal prep plan, as they help keep hunger at bay and prevent overeating during meals. Here are some healthy snack ideas that you can include in your meal prep plan. Raw veggies and hummus. Cut up some fresh vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers and pack them with a small container of hummus. Greek yogurt and berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in sugar, making it a perfect snack. Top it off with some fresh berries for added flavor. Energy balls. These little bites of goodness are easy to make and packed with nutrients. You can use oats, nut butter, and honey to make a base, and add in other ingredients like dried fruit, nuts, and chocolate chips. Roasted chickpeas. Chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein, and when roasted, they make a delicious and crunchy snack. You can add your own seasoning like paprika or cumin for added flavor. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and can be easily boiled and stored for a quick snack on the go. You can add a sprinkle of salt or pepper for extra flavor. By including these healthy snack ideas in your meal prep plan, you'll be less likely to reach for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. Don't forget to portion out your snacks and pack them in individual containers for easy access. In conclusion, meal prepping is a highly effective and convenient way to achieve your weight loss goals. With a little planning and preparation, you can create healthy and delicious meals and snacks that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. By following the tips and meal prep ideas outlined in this video, you can take the guesswork out of healthy eating and set yourself up for success. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to weight loss, so make meal prep a regular part of your routine and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Don't forget to share your favorite meal prep ideas in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips.